Yes, Joshua. This is the rain in Brazil. Damn, I'm feel so calm here, man. I swear. This is crazy. This is my car. I just bought it. No, I don't bought it. I buy it. That's mine. I just see how peaceful I can just come down, listen to the rain. This is just crazy. Welcome to Brazil. We got some thunder lights. Oh, got another car here. Yeah, another car. Sam. I'm sure how the rain here is so calm. That's so good for his sleep. I love it. If you never sleep in the rain, I'm the man. I'm sleeping like a baby. You gotta tell me. I love it. If I'm well outside, I gotta get so wet. This is why I love the rain. I love it. Not a fake rain, that's a real rain. Tropical rain, that's how we call it. If you have a problem to sleep, just listen to this video. You're gonna get so calm. You can sleep like a few seconds.